Hello, my name is Brandon Williams, and today we're going to talk about how genetically modified organisms are improving the farming industry. GMOs help in many ways. They help the farmers, the consumers, and the environment. GMOs help farmers by increasing crop yields, by making them more efficient in using water and nutrients. They create more pest resistant plants by engineering them in a way that they produce more natural pesticides that are already found within those plants. They decrease the amount of land required to grow a certain amount of crops, and they decrease the amount of water required to grow the crops. GMOs help people because GMOs allow farmers to grow more food. Therefore, the prices will lower and availability will be increased. One of the major problems of eating healthy is the fact that healthy food is so expensive. Naturally pest resistant crops will allow food to be grown without being covered in dangerous chemicals. Runoff from pesticides is a very problematic problem, and it causes many birth defects in animals and can make people and animals very sick. Crops require less maintenance and would allow more people to grow their own food. People, normal or everyday people do not have access to these pesticides that could prevent these bugs. If plants can naturally produce their own pesticides that they need, then they wouldn't need harmful chemicals. GMOs help the environment by lowering the requirement for land to grow a certain amount of crop. They also can be modified to retain more of the nitrogen and phosphorus that is present in fertilizers. Nitrogen and phosphorus is one of the leading causes, or is the leading. It's what fuels algae blooms in places like Florida, Texas, along the Gulf, and places like that are having that have very bad algae blooms of toxic algae. In summary, I support GMOs for many reasons. They help the farmers, the community, and the environment. Thank you for watching and listening to my presentation. And